Hitmaker.
I feel you.
Maybe it's just me, but have you ever noticed all Soulja Boy tell him do is sit in front of a camera, look crazy, and smoke the whole time? I remember watching the Soulja Boy video called Texas, and this nigga was looking crazy the whole time, not saying 2 words, and it didn't make no sense. Maybe it's just me. I'm gonna stop talking and bring y'all into my world on what I've been seeing in Soulja Boy videos lately. And before I get into this, I'm gonna let y'all know one thing. Hi, shit.